this video, I will talk about the top 3 new features in Civil 3D 2027. Autodesk Assistant, which is powered by AI and allows you to interact with the model using natural language. Daylight feature line, to create feature lines using grading criteria. And horizontal regression analysis, introduced in 2026.1. I will discuss some key improvements in this tool. Before we start, I just want to quickly mention that we offer a number of training courses in Civil 3D and other applications, the beginner level, intermediate, or advanced or more bespoke courses as well. So if you're interested, have a look in the link in the description below. Autodesk Assistant is available as a tech preview, and it will allow you to interact with the model using natural language, using AI. You can access the chat history, previous chats, and you can save prompts for future use. I'm going to show some examples here of what you can do. I'm asking to change the styles of the surfaces to contours 1 and 5. That's not exactly the name of the style, but it will figure it out. Okay, so you have changed the styles and it gives me a summary. Now if I say change road surface to 0.1 and 0.5, is looking for the contour 0.1 and 0.5 meter style for the road surface. You can select objects, select manhole 1 to manhole 10, and it finds those 10 manholes and selects them. I'm going to ask it to create a table listing all the Civil 3D objects in the drawing. It generates that table here with the different objects, the name of those objects, and a summary at the end. Let's do another query. Top 3 layers based on the number of objects they contain. And you can see here the top layer is layer 0 with 85 objects, and then followed by sub-assemblies and pipe network structures. And you can also use it as a help. I'm going to ask for the tool to create 3D solids from a pipe network. What command is that? And it's telling me that it's the convert to 3D solids command. I can find it in the ribbon, the modify tab. Design panel, it's there. Create daylight feature line is available as a tech preview. With this tool, you can create a feature line from another one using grading criteria. I can pick a name for the feature line, style, layer, click the feature line, crest is the name of that feature line. I'm going to pick the side, outside. If it's a closed feature line, you will have inside, outside. If it's linear, you will have left and right. The start and end station, and the grading criteria. Let's target a surface at a 1 and 3 slope. And we get this feature line here. Let me do another one. I'm going to rename it. I'll start from the crest again, this time inside. I'm going to pick relative level at slope. And I create that second feature line with the new grading criteria. This command doesn't keep a dynamic link between the feature lines, so if you modify a feature line, the others are not updating. If you want a workflow with dynamic links between the lines, you can look at the dynamic feature line or the line set tools from Navigate for Civil 3D. You can look in the description for a link to that workflow. The Horizontal Regression Analysis tool was introduced in 2026.1. There have been some improvements in 2027. I'm gonna pick those cover points for the path. And this is the analysis that we had available in previous versions. We now have a machine learning algorithm as well. Click here. You can see that it does a better job of fitting the path along the points. Or you can still use the classic analysis if you want to do some manual editing. Notice that now you have a preview of the alignment that you didn't have before. If you select elements in the curvature table or in the second properties, you can see I will highlight those elements. I can make manual edits to the alignment as well. If I go here, I can go to Geometry Editor, and I'm going to remove that spiral. I'm going to move that point over here. You can see that I have some warnings that the tangency is not kept, so I'm also going to change the curves to constrained on both sides. And all those changes will make an effect on the offset here and all the other elements that I can see live. So I can see here around 500. I'm getting the offset that is the worst. Can move that alignment. That has adjusted it, but it has had an effect here on around 200 and something. So if I adjust it there, let's say that I pick that point, is adjusting better, so I get a almost perfect fit at this point. When I'm happy, I can confirm, and only then it will create the alignment.